In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your sales process, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps. Let's dive into this hands-on approach to building your sales pipeline. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to HubSpot's website. Make sure you're logged into your account already, as that's the key to accessing the full range of tools we'll be using today. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to do so now. It's always best to have everything ready to go when you're creating something as crucial as a sales pipeline. Now that you're in HubSpot, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new menu where you can access all the customization options HubSpot has to offer. Remember, settings is like the backbone of your HubSpot account, where you can tweak everything to suit your specific needs. With the settings open, let's move to the left sidebar menu. This section is packed with various options that let you modify different aspects of your HubSpot account. You're looking for the option labeled Objects. Once you find it, click on it. Objects here refer to the data models HubSpot uses, such as deals, contacts, or companies. It's crucial to select the right object that aligns with your sales goals. If your intention is to nurture client relationships, you might choose contacts. If you're focusing on managing sales deals, then deals would be your go-to. Now that you've selected the object, let's proceed to the Pipelines tab. This tab is your go-to place for managing all existing pipelines and, more importantly, creating new ones. By clicking on the Pipelines tab, you open a new realm of possibilities for organizing and visualizing your sales processes. Next, you want to locate the Select a Pipeline drop-down menu. It's usually at the top of the screen within the Pipelines view. Clicking on this menu presents you with options related to the management of pipelines. Find and select the option labeled Create Pipeline. This is where the real magic happens. Creating a pipeline lets you tailor your sales process to match your business model, ensuring every stage of your customer journey is covered. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough to set up your very own sales pipeline in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can customize your sales strategies and keep better track of your team's progress. A well-constructed pipeline is invaluable for ensuring that no opportunity slips through the cracks, helping to drive success and growth in your business. Thanks for watching and happy selling.